I saw this reel from a friend of mine where she got all four of her kids to help around the house doing very helpful tasks. And her point was the time we take to teach them or motivate them to get them to do these tasks is much less time compared to how long it will be helpful to them in their whole life. And that really hit me. And so I went to my kids and, you know, I kind of tried it out. I went, gave them a little pep talk about how it would be really great. We do a few more tasks together as a family or also on their own, and how helpful that's going to be for them in the future. And surprisingly, this pep talk did have results, and they did do something to help in the house afterwards. We're still working on building up some, routine culture with these tasks. However, it just also made me think about talks on sexuality. They might be uncomfortable and maybe short or long, but they do hit a point in these kids' lives that will truly affect them long term. Yeah, so just really good to get into those talks.